Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet a colorful heart stitch baby blanket pattern. For this pattern I use Ali's Baby Best yarn and number 3.5 millimeter hook. You can make this pattern in one color or several colors. If you're ready, let's get started. I start with a slip knot and then chain a multiple of 13, then plus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I made 40 chains totally, and now I'm ready to start row 1. Skip first 3 chains and make a double crochet into 4th chain from the hook. And then make a double crochet into each of next 3 chains. 1, 2, and 3. Now I want to make a double crochet and first heart into next chain, so insert the hook into next chain and make a double crochet, and for making first heart, chain 7. Now skip 2 chains and make a slip stitch into each of next 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Chain 1 and work on the opposite side and skip 2 stitches, 1 and 2, and make a single crochet into next stitch. Then make a half double crochet into the next and double crochet into the next stitch. Now I want to work 4 treble crochets into next chain, yarn over twice, and insert the hook into the next, yarn over, pull up a loop, and yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and repeat this 3 more times. 1, 2, and 3. Then chain 4 and slip stitch into same chain and continue work on opposite side in the same stitch. Again chain 4 and make 4 treble crochets into the same stitch. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, then make a double crochet into the next stitch and half double into the next and a single crochet into the last stitch, and then slip stitch into chain 1 space at the beginning of these stitches here, and now the first heart has made. Insert the hook into these 2 loops of last double crochet and make a slip stitch. Then make a double crochet into each of next 12 stitches. Okay, after these 12 stitches, I want to make second heart into next chain. So I make a double crochet into next chain and then make second heart, chain 7, skip next first 2 chains and make slip stitch into each of next 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Chain 1 and work on the opposite side. Skip first 2 chains and make a single crochet into third chain. Then make a half double crochet into next chain and a double crochet into the next and 4 treble crochets into the next chain. One, 2, 3, and 4. Chain 4 and slip stitch into same chain. Chain 4 and work on the opposite side into same chain. I make 4 treble crochets into the same chain. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, then I make a double crochet into next stitch. And half double crochet into the next and a single crochet into the last stitch, and then I make a slip stitch into chain 1 space here, and the second heart has made. Now insert the hook into these 2 loops of last double crochet and make a slip stitch, and now repeat this sequence. I make double crochet into each of next 12 stitches, then make a double crochet and third heart into next stitch, and then make 1 double crochet into each of last 6 chains. At the end of this row, I want to change colors, so don't complete the last double crochet, and pull through with new color and chain 1, chain 3 and turn the work and make a double crochet into each stitches of previous row. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Pull the heart in front and make a double crochet into next stitch of previous row, and keep going double crochets until the end of the row. I made double crochets, and last double crochet has worked into third chain of the beginning of first row, then chain 3 and turn the work. Now make a double crochet into each of next 5 double crochets of previous row. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, now I want to join first heart into third row, so remove the hook and turn the work, insert hook through 2 loops of middle slip stitch between these 4 chains and 4 chains in the middle of the first heart. Here, these 2 loops, and pull this loop through, and then turn the work and make a double crochet into each of next 5 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, now the first heart has joined to the third row, and now I want to make a double crochet and first heart into next double crochet, so make a double crochet into next double crochet and chain 7 and repeat that sequence for making each heart. And first heart of a third row has made between these 2 hearts of first row. Okay, now I make 1 double crochet into each of next 7 double crochets. Now I made 7 double crochets, and now I want to join the second heart to the third row, so remove the hook and turn the work and insert the hook into these 2 loops of slip stitch between these chain 4 spaces, here and here, and grab the loop and pull it through and turn the work, and again I repeat this sequence. I make 5 double crochets, then 1 double crochet and second heart into the next double crochet, and again 7 double crochet and join the next heart to the third row, and again double crochet into each of remaining double crochets. Okay, I made third row, and in this row I have 2 hearts between these 3 hearts of row 1, and now I want to join next color, so I don't complete the last double crochet and pull through with new color and chain 1, chain 3, and turn the work and make a double crochet in each of double crochets of previous row. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and I work behind of these hearts. I make double crochets into each double crochets of previous row until the end. Okay, for next row, chain 3 and turn the work, and I make a double crochet into each of next 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And I want to make a double crochet and first heart into next double crochet, so make a double crochet and then make the first heart. Then I make double crochet into each of next 6 double crochets of previous row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and then join the first heart of third row, remove the hook, turn the work and insert the hook into both loops of slip stitch here and here, and grab this loop, pull through and turn the work and make double crochet into each of next 6 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And then I repeat this sequence. I make a double crochet and next heart into next double crochet, and then double crochet into each of next 6 stitches, and then join next heart and again double crochet into each of next 6 double crochets, and again make a double crochet and next heart into next double crochet and double crochet into each of last double crochets. Okay, I completed the row 5, and in this row I have 3 hearts such as row 1, and then I have to repeat row 2 to row 5. I repeated row 2 to row 5 one more time. You have to repeat those 4 rows, row 2 to row 5, several times until you have reached your desired length of the blanket. I hope this video will be useful for you. If you like that, please don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day.